Hey, where are we going?
We're going on tour.
We're going on tour.
It's so cold, and I'm so excited.
So cold and excited.
Probably won't be excited alone.
Is that the bus? Is that Marvin on time? There's Autumn, she's the married one. Here we are on tour. That's right, we are on tour. We're at M's homeschool.
Rip. We are at Mount Burnett Catholic School.
This is a Nazarene school, which means I don't understand what that means. This is our stage. Yeah, you see, I built that wall.
I'm gonna do a magic trick, obviously. You see it?
Sure. Where'd it go? Oh my gosh, are you eating it? Gross.
I would never.
Oh,
It's definitely in your hand. It's 100% in your hand. Yes, it is.
That one.
Wait, it's not.
The other one? It's in your pocket.
No way.
We just finished show 2.
Who's done?
We have 3 more, including our home show. And it copyrighted.
Copyright.
My friend.
These are her friends, and now they're my friends.
I'm her moo-moo.
So, what's going on right now, Marvin?
It's freaking amazing. It's freaking snowing outside.
No, we're stuck.
But it's freaking amazing. Awesome.
We're trying to get to
Awesomeness.
Messiah, and we're stuck.
Frozone did this to us. Frozone did this to us.
So here we are. Show is canceled, and we're walking towards sustenance. We will find food. Oh yeah! Here we are in the wild.
Oh, now you call it the wild.
Piss off. Here we are in the wild. I don't know what's next for us, but all I do know, it's not I'm undertaking fire. But I tell you what, we've made it. We're getting our nails done. What's the deal? What's going on right now?
Well, Marv is being stupid.
And he left all of his expensive stuff out in the lobby. So we're gonna hide it. We'll never know.
Espionage.
Hey Brady.
He's going back to his room to look for it. Ask him the front desk.
Somebody moved my computer and base.
Wait, are you serious?
Yes, but it's the element of surprise is already gone because it has already been pointed to Richie.
Are you sure?
Autumn doesn't lie, okay?
Autumn, you told him? Just because you're married doesn't mean you need to tell the truth. And I got it all on video. We're back on the bus. Sorry if my appearance is scary. Leaving Messiah College. We're really sad because we didn't get to play here because of the stupid snowstorm. We did have 3 shows, which were awesome. And now we're gonna do 1 more show at home. Overall, pretty decent. Right?
Overall, 7 out of 10.
4 golden bananas out of 6.
Out of 6.
Maybe out of 7.
I was ready to give them all to do 1 final show that would slam the other shows down where they belong. You made that?
Yeah, we made that.
That was your first snowman?
Yeah,
Alan taught us.
Oh, Alan. It's funny because it's ugly, so.
That's my child.
What a beautiful night. I almost pinched my toes.